Next is question number 44 of the series IIT JAM 2026 Mathematical Statistics PYQ Solution. Question is as we have a point which is chosen at a random from a square region whose side are of 2 meter, and if the center of the square is defined to the point of intersection of its two diagonal, then the probability that the randomly chosen point is closer to the center of the square than to any of its four corner. The probability, we have to find the probability. Okay, now we need a square region. Let's say the region is as this only, that is, and this, and take any point so that the side become 2 meter of 2 meter, that is, take from -1 to 1, and just from here -1 to 1, sorry, -1 to 1. So the region of square would be this. Now this is of 2 meter. Now the center of the square is defined to the point of intersection of its two diagonal. Its diagonal is basically this, and the center is would be intersection of this two, that is this. This will be center. Now we have to find the probability that the randomly chosen point, take any point inside, which is, and we have to we have to find the probability that that point is closer to the center of the square than any of its four corner. Let's take the value to be this, point to be this, that is this. I have to find the distance of this and distance between any of this point to this point. Let's take this. Okay, this point is defined as xy. The probability that distance of this point to the center of this point to the center, that means x minus 0 whole square, center would be 0 0. This point is xy. This point will be 1 and 1. Sorry for the mistake here. This will be 1 now. 1. So plus y minus 0 whole square is less than x. This point will be 1 comma 1. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, that is probability of x square plus y square less than x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square plus 1 minus 2y. That is, we can easily cancel it out since the both are positive, and from here this and this we get probability of 2x plus 2y less than 2, or divide it by 2 both sides, the inequality will not change. That means because the 2 is the positive quantity, so probability is x plus y less than 1. We need to find this probability. What will be the area? Now plot this x plus y less than 1 will be like this, and this. If we plot x plus y less than 1, this would be this. And what we are required to find? The probability of this region. We need the region, the area of this divided by the whole area. That will give the probability of this region only. So in order to find the area of this, what if we find the area of this only and then take multiple of 4, because it is a square region, so सारा यूनिफॉर्म होगा. We get the same area of this, this, this and this. So now probability of that area, take it as A, B and C. तो area of the region ABC into 4 divided by the area of whole region, that is, take it as P, Q, R, S and S. The area of P, Q, R, S. The square of the area would be, the area of the square would be, the area of ABC would be half into the base, because it is a right angle triangle. This is 1, this is 1. The area of this would be 1 by 2 into 1 into 1, that is 1 into 1 into 4 divided by area of this whole square would be 2 cross 2, that is this cancel out, will get 1 by 2, that is 0.5 is the answer. The answer would be 0.5.